I could put 2 on a plate here. One of them's for you, other one's for me. Here you guys go. Take the first bite. All right, hey guys, today we're gonna be making some zucchini brownies. So I've made this in the past. We're gonna start off with 2 zucchinis here. All we're gonna do is we're going to basically shred the zucchini. So one tip that I found, instead of using a grater, which takes a lot of time, I'm just gonna instead put them in my Vitamix and blend them up. So that way we save a lot of time, takes a little bit less effort, but we just need to cut the zucchinis into smaller chunks first, and then we place them in. So the recipe usually calls for about 2 cups of zucchini. So this is about 1 cup here, I'd say. Right, if we just put this in the thing, to me that's about a cup. That's about a cup. So we'll place that in there, and then we're gonna use a second one mixture. And they add a really nice moisture to it. So it's a great way to get obviously some veggies into your diet, especially into your dessert, and it helps to cut some of the calories from a regular brownie. So this is about a 2nd cup as well. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna blitz this up. So let's test it out. Let's put the Vitamix on. Take a look. So it's mashed it nice and moist, and then we're gonna bring it back here. So there you go. You guys have the zucchini that's basically chopped up in a matter of 20 to 30 seconds. There you have it. So that's step number 1. What we're gonna use is, I have some canola oil. We're gonna use about 1/2 cup of that. So I got my trusty measuring cup right here. I have white sugar here. You guys can use brown sugar, you guys can use honey if you like, but I've kind of ran out of brown sugar. So I basically used all my sugar. Sweet. So that's about 2/3 cup of sugar that we're gonna use. The normal recipe calls for 1.5 cups of sugar, but just because I don't have any more sugar, that's what we're gonna use. Is we're going to add the olive oil. Not olive oil, but oops, that's perfectly 1/2 a cup of canola oil. Just gonna toss that in. Again, with the oil, you can use whatever you like. The original recipes call for butter. If you want to use a vegetable oil, if you want to use coconut oil. I don't know how coconut oil would work. So now from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add just a splash of, vanilla extract, natural. This is whole wheat flour. So we're gonna add basically 2 cups of whole wheat flour to this. That's the first cup in. We're just gonna fold that in. Boom, that's the first one. About 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. That looks like a 1.5 teaspoons. Okay. And then we're also gonna add 1/2 cup of, I have some organic baking cocoa. Put that in. But then I'm just gonna add, before this, I'm gonna add a sprinkle of salt. Some people like to squeeze some of the moisture out, some of the water out. This actually, for me, adds the nice kind of texture, the moistness of the brownie. So I leave everything in. I'm just folding everything in together. Alright guys, so I spent a couple minutes of mixing this, so it's gotten to this kind of consistency here. Basically the baking tray, I just got some parchment paper right here, and all we're gonna do is, just gonna put a little bit of oil. My Pam spray ran out. Yeah. Just try it actually. Not too sweet, which is perfect. We used about half the sugar that the original recipe says. All we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in the oven, 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes now. We're just gonna pop the zucchini brownies out. Looking nice and cooked. See a little bit of the zucchini pieces. I added those. I wanted those for artistic design. And then we're just gonna poke that in. Still probably needs a little bit of time in. So what you can do is you can poke it in, and then if it comes out smoothly, then it's cooked. So you can see here. Tastes really good though. It needs a little bit more time. All right guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to, oh my goodness, that's dirty. Okay, anyways, we're going to make a Greek yogurt frosting. So let's see how this works. First time making it. We'll see how it turns out. Place that there. And then what we're gonna do is we're also gonna add a 1/4 cup of the cacao. So we're add probably about 4 tablespoons worth. We got some honey here. This is a 4 ingredient frosting. Hopefully it turns out well. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. So just sprinkle cinnamon and then let's mix. So let's try mixing it and see how it turns out. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. We might have to add more. Guys, I added more Greek yogurt because it's getting a little bit thick. Too thick, actually. Okay, there we go, it's mixing now. This is gonna be very, very interesting. I wanna see really how this turns out. See how it tastes so far. It's actually pretty damn good. Okay guys, I ran out of honey, so I'm trying to get all the last kind of stuck ends here from all these old honeys that I have. Oh man, I know this is gonna be good now. Oh man, that is what you want your frosting to be. Okay, let's try it now. Damn, that's so good. All right guys, so I basically put the frosting onto the brownie, the whole thing, and I put it in the fridge for about, it's been in the fridge for about an hour now. This is what it looks like, guys. I'm really, really excited to cut into it. Take a look, guys. Take a look at that brownie. Oh man, we're gonna slice into it in half. Oh man. And then from there, let's just take a look. Oh man. Okay guys, here you go. Have the first bite of this chocolate zucchini brownie. Here you guys go. I put 2 on a plate here. One of them's for you, other one's for me. Here you guys go. Take the first bite. Have that healthy zucchini brownie with vanilla Greek yogurt, frosting, no butter, just protein. Have that first bite. Damn. Damn. For a healthy brownie, this is pretty damn good. This is pretty damn good. I wouldn't even know, besides seeing these little speckles here, would not know that there's zucchinis in this. Guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Really want to hear what you guys think. If you guys add anything else to your zucchini brownies, or if you have any suggestions for me. If you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Anyways, I'm gonna shout out on this. Peace out, guys.